kule ngurani ya riri fans drive fadi racer na rambi na thoko yes acho ni turole category igiri he thoko na fans drive yes na haria citiganagira ri ni diti
ciothe no ũngania wa mbeca
yes no emwe ena nditi guciũngania gũkireria na nditi haria ũkoragwo rĩu ũtutungĩirie wega rĩ nĩ harĩ thoko rĩrĩ mũthaithanĩro mũingĩ mũno na kũririkanagia kũingĩ kĩ
kũririkania kũingĩ
yes thoko nĩ tũririkanagio na nĩ mwĩkĩra emotional responsibility yes fans drive nacio rĩ ciĩkagwo nĩ andũ well mena tũindo yes na nĩ ũigua rĩu they are driving some worthy causes yes
na fans drive nacio itikaragwo
ona gutira otwetereire ngania gutira otiriri ekwaya ringi agenie ri turatanya ri me haho njumbi makoro meka atia
makoro makinya thoko can take an entire afternoon na igirire nginya mathaa ma nduma
wega yes na fans drive they have very little cooking catering for that matter yes thoko ri hatare thuburia igire cia jere na thituru ri tutingiruta mbia citu na nĩ twambe tũrie kanitha karĩka
you entice people with food
you have to get to our heart fans drive ukora just a small cup of coffee or tea and a snack
just that
ona twekira kadhani kana kanini geta wasia sausa yes and it's ona gutikara go the fans drive at muno
size at most 2 hours
yes fans drive rikora mahua ma murango-ini no one will come poking your clothes
ragerio ngasibo magana matano
na nĩ thoko ri we gwikira gwandu hau nao mahota gwika mũndũ lifestyle audit ya na ihenya mũno makamenya wewe wa ithagu kana wewe wa ngasibo
agoro nĩ makũĩ mũkũu we nĩ ngasibo
ũkaũtho ngasibo ĩrĩa yarĩirwo ũkerwo uikeria jomo wako ni marona weri hana affluence yes
kana matira gutheria wega no ni hana to ngikona na indo
ukagutho ithagu riria rerendi na bururu na girini ni hana pikoko
we ne kia mau
kana gikingi
ni njirongo kana gikingi
yes fans drive it
itire maundu mau
and they don't even have an appealing MC ati waotinda kimwapirira yes
na itiendagio indo cia mugunda
ona gutikoragwo thoko ati
te batumbe mau ni ngurirwo
yes fans drive iti rafu newe inukia kifuyu giki ni kiarita ithatu
na ikaigwo display haria mbere
ino nayo ndiamenya niki no ndathukio guo nĩndaigua nĩ kĩndũ gĩa bata yes ĩno nayo nĩ thimũ nĩyo ultimate price
kĩheo kĩrĩa kĩnene nĩ thimũ
fans drive thire maũndũ mau yes na nĩ mwetagwo thoko na mwakorwo you okay in your element no nĩ ũkoragwo mwanyu wa family rĩ nĩonete ũtheri wa kĩmondo agakinya you know there is a level you reach you now want to do things for society rĩu nĩ wakinya level yake rwĩtwo philanthropy you have more than you need ũgagĩciria you want to do something
for the society
hau nĩyo fans drive mũno ciũkagĩra and of course ĩkĩanjagio maĩ nĩ ihĩnyene ũkaengage family yes makiuga nĩ mũrakĩiguire ithe ambo gweno ndu yes tũrĩete kũrĩa Lamanda
Nyairobi
eno barenda gwikagira andu na lecia riu ni riega koguo twita family ni muri atwika haria twandikaga yes mai cokanirira na matigioka othe gugatumwo representatives
yes magagitha ngari
yes na kuruta koguo titumagwo every Tom Dick and Harry. It's not about belonging. Kwaja mundu uthia handu muri ucio baka axu
we released in you are
yes
we unachomolewa
kundu kou kwina andu matukuite no itu ta family wende gwa ni ugutigwo
maya ti mothoni na mohiki maria gutuika andu ngitigwo
yes ningi guku gutiaroro no tuitwo u tu horo wa family lineage kwe wiro rathi okay
kai acha karaja ndo akide wakwa
we ongiurio rathi gwika atia ku ngiuga atia
okay murathi gwika
tone bia kurathi kurutwo we na cigana ukamba
ndu tetare ibuku-ini
cigana arutete 5 keiganire ni ugatuma
ni ukarugamirirwo
yes waya maginya ku fans drive ri matagia ku notice ti thoko right from the word go so makoma magite ginya mbeca cia mahua kando uria igana kenda ni mahua tutue marendia mahua meri cio ni 18 ya
bonyite ngirisi igiri ni cia mahua
mandu aya ki maingira hau makiro mundu no ri twarandika no karekia business card ya icio tutire no andika hau
tuko wote pamoja
tukiandika mtu mmoja ni sawa aria me hau makona okay let's not both of the family unaweza andika tu wawili it's okay andika Eric Jamboya namba ya simu 0111 ndio
na ni vizuri hapo uandike Kanyanyaine ndio wanjue
andika Kanyanyaine yes ndimbi atasika thank you kuna mahali tunakaa aya ngeibo ginya wa guikara no turi atanye okay that boy got some family mtaka hapo kaje huria turelia tha cigana ono kwa ngane taigwe tukire tene na kagutari na mutafania we ndio murahororo jazz
segutire mutafania
wow nyimbo cia Abba Chiquitita Celine Dion mukaro saxophonia Chris DeBarge yes nyimbo horo cia evening ajoka ladies and gentlemen I think welcome to this very noble task. Remember that we are raising funds for the sensitization of our campaign, as you very well know. We will not have a very long time. By the schedule, we are starting at 6. It is 6:20. We should be done by 7:45 the most, because again, tomorrow is a working day.
Yes.
Okay. Well, we will start with the main organizers of the event. Tell us what they have put together. So please, round of applause for Jeremy and the team. Ko maka kuigwa mundu rage merio ruhi
na mundu raba ko muture-ini ruhi
yes araba ko mu indulge aya panua
ugotie maundu tamau Kamaua agusia
thank you so much. We've worked with David at Kakuma. We have also been with him at Lokichar. We have also done the same campaigns in a place called Chonyi at the heart of Kilifi. And together we have actually put together 3 million shillings. And today we have just added another 400,000. So we started with 3.4 million shillings. Okay, well, give them a round of applause.
ati aluta tigada
ndigwa tare milioni 3.4 na tiwe bagite yo toro guhia ni makurithia kaigwa. We have another group from Dodoma. The group from Dodoma, they have a representative. Thank you very much, Balozi. Come over here. Thank you so much. We support this noble cause. We'll put in 6 million shillings and pledge another 4 to make it 10. That's by November. We shall have made it 10. Thank you so much. A round of applause. Hey, family, ma. Hold you know, hey. What thank you.
Meda no ni horo hero rari.
Marama ti arohe. We will have our partners from Plan International. I see we also have representatives from IGAD and ECOWAS. We will follow in that order. Okay, you are mita. I know you are family metana. And Ilango.
Oi.
We see ya. To think menai. No, ningwenda wali na mundo we na manerera atia itinda utweta handu aliku
ndakambe gutwetana rua
lwamba iwa nginya kura tororokyo ithungu na ukuri na ngwiciria rwimbo ruria turabangite kuina mwambe mweherie dionete mundu rahe okay
rwimbo na ningwenda warikia ukengari ni ngukunya wa iri na idea Keni.
Yes.
Tuchoka ni hali ya gari ni kidogo.
Ndio kia turachoka ni iria haha. Nengirie 18,500. Wendo thio nyitithie ithe baba beru. Ocio nake ri. Tibe ageni ano amenye rugongo ria gutarie. Na ni oyo ria mbembe ya rita riri ratwikire. Emu kiro gongo niyo ekimera iki ba ni eko kaundu karia eu gweciria amunyitithio guori no kiuge tuheo rwimbo hano authia tukitangatha haria ningi tutiri andu amwionanio no ndona guku mwionanio neguo okay
neguo muingi
mwaka wa atiriri twetu turathi hau tutangathe citu
murathi gutangatha nau
we wa koigi ni gutafanagia thoko cia karinda nau gake no kioru niki
no kihungo
bas nga tukina kibungo wetu uthi haria wiki atia
wanirire
mako baba mugoni no hitagia
Durake yakwanirira niki arangi marakianirira
na
nendo
turatio okuneitha weru ni tuthie tumunengere kira turekatia
kira tuoka nakio
na tondu na guku tamago tukithia ri na ndiro na irio ri ni twibanga tuinukete na tukore ki
tukore irio
tukore sapa ni ngurite thimu ni ndaro thani Adia mwe yumiraia ake appoint moderator yes wetu no family yake yes
tuko hapa
yes mimi vile mnaona huyu David mnaita Ndaundi nyumbani tunamuitanga Ndweku na Ndweku yeye ndio Ndweku mimi na tuko na mambambae na mamaye wandogo tumeweza kusikia mwito hii na tukachikana kama familia na tu le heido icio we iro aweru muki ageniki oria mwiraga niki ukaimuki inaga
ya kuithia rwimbo
yes tumeweza kushanga sisi hatuna mamilioni hiyo mnazungumza lakini kwa jitihada zetu tumeweza kama watu ya nyumbani kurudisha pamoja 15,500 na mimi kwa sababu pia nakuwa kule niongeze 1,500 ndio siweze kuitika. Kwa hivyo sisi nasikia na 20,000 oka ororo herwega. Yes, you know the people there are alive to the fact that it is the thought
that counts. It's not the money. Magori.
Azo kale huwa ni mwono oria twahurirwo ru.
Ni kuri andu age makuhurirwo ruhi ogwa.
Raki yaganiki. Tugi ukire. Ukire andu aingi muno marazio na ogo matinoka. Ayo. Naleke twetangire ndona nĩ marehe thiki. Mũrakiinũkia tene kanyu mũrakaranganĩrio na nyeni.
Rakenda na 49.